Right, Scott King here, Pacific West Capital. I have been asked, so King, how fast can you process a loan? And my response is, well, how fast can you get me the documentations? Usually, uh, I process a loan, and this we're talking conventional or FHA loans, can be done in about 3 weeks, typically. Um, if we get through the setup process, which usually takes 3 days. Okay, we do the application. It's either done on the website here or we can do it by phone. And usually we tidy things up a bit on the phone anyway. So once that's in, we do some more work on the application. We get all the disclosures together. We email them over to you, and hopefully you have an email address. And and by the way, this is about processing the loan. This is what this video is about. I just wanted to share some of my insights, and so you understand how things can to make things go smoothly as possible. Um, it's great to be able to email documents back and forth, so that presumes that you have a printer, or if you don't, you can at least open the document and uh, electronically sign or stamp your digital signature on the documents. Usually it's better to just go ahead and print them off because you need to initial as well as sign and date certain forms. And then we get that back along with the checklist items. We have a processing checklist, which tells you just exactly what you need to send back with the application. Depending on if you're self-employed, we need tax returns. If you're not self-employed, we don't need tax returns. You need your W-2s, pay stubs, things like that. Everything's on the checklist, and you can scan that all back or fax it. We'll take a fax. You can work off of it. We'll separate the PDFs out and get that into underwriting. Um, First, before underwriting, we have to go through setup because we submit the application. Most lenders have a portal where we upload the application, which comes out of our loan processing software, and they will generate their own disclosures, which usually are emailed to you. This is coming from the lender we're talking about. If you don't have an email address, then they have to snail mail that out to your house. But that's okay. Some folks don't have an email. Some folks don't have a computer and a printer, so that's okay. We work with that, and then once the file is through setup, it goes through underwriting, depending how busy the lender is, and depending on the time of the season. If rates are down, things can get pretty busy, and it could take any 3 to 5 days or more to get an underwriting approval. So you go through underwriting. The underwriter is assigned by the lender, and they'll kick out a sheet of conditions, loan approval with conditions, and we'll let you know if we need anything further being requested. At this point, once we have the approval, we know we can comply with the conditions that are being requested. We would go ahead and order the appraisal. The appraisal is through usually a management company, and that is paid for on a credit card up front. Back in the day, we used to, um, used to do that on a check, or it could be put into the loan at closing. That caused problems. So we don't. That problem has been eliminated now. So yeah, we order the appraisal. That's done, and of course that won't be appearing on your settlement statement once you've paid for the appraisal fee. You're not going to pay for 2 appraisal fees. Here at TWC, we offer free appraisal anyway, so for our new customers. So that's and then once everything is back, the appraisal is in, title has been ordered. If you have credit items like a mortgage or something that's not appearing on your credit report, we have to verify that the payment history on that. We want to make sure you pay it on time, and Sometimes we need to update your credit report for other items or get a supplement showing that something's been paid, and like your mortgage. Other than that, we get to all the conditions are cleared from the underwriting approval. Once they're cleared off, the file will be sent to the documents department. We'll fill out a document order sheet and get it in line for docs. And then you will set up an appointment time. Usually escrow will organize or set up locate a notary in your area. Sometimes there's a title company in your area. You can go to the title company and sign your docs, or we can send a roving notary out to your home. You can sign at the kitchen table and get you signed up. They FedEx the docs back to the to escrow. Escrow does a few things with them and then sends them to the lender. Lender reviews them and pushes that button to fund the loan. In a nutshell, that's about 3 weeks. It could be 4 weeks, depending on the time, if rates are down, or how many submissions they're getting. So that's that's loan processing. And for conventional loans and FHA loans, it's about the same. So for VA loan, a USDA loan, your government loan programs. Now, if you're in a pinch and you need to close really fast, you can get yourself a hard money loan and you can close in 7 days. And that's what a lot of people do in doing fix and flips. Okay, if you're buying a property that they're going to rehab, they don't sometimes even need an appraisal. They'll just go out and do it real quick or just pull comparable property listings and satisfy themselves as to a value and go ahead and get it funded very quickly for you. Because as you know, in the real estate industry, time is of the essence. And any questions I can answer for you, let me know. You can reach me here toll free at 866-625-7283. Scott here, Pacific West Capital. If you like the information you're getting, greatly appreciate a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.